Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I came up with another new video which is how to fill the blank spaces by using group option. So for that I'm having a data set with a student and their text wise marks. Now I want to fill these blanks and they're absent. For that I'm selecting the data, going to home tab. On the rightmost you will find a find and select option. From there you will go to spatial option. This is one type of selection. Other one, just press Ctrl along with G. Similar dialog box will open. Click on a select. Here there is a blanks option, right? Select that one. Press OK. So it will select only the blanks. Now I want to give it as absent for all this blank line items. Pause it. Press Ctrl Enter so that it will fill all the columns automatically. This is all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and click on a bell icon for more videos.